Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to use and off auto rotate screen on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you just need to click on this display and brightness. Sorry, not here, this display and brightness. Then you have to scroll, you just keep scrolling. Here you can see this is the auto rotate screen. So if you want to use this auto rotate screen, you just click on this icon like this. Here the auto rotate screen will be activated, and if you don't want to use, you want to off it, you just click again on this icon. Here it will be set off. If you want, whenever you want to use, you can on, and whenever you want to off, you can off it. Okay. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.